Okay, guys, sound checks. Whether you can hear me, and if you can hear me, say hi, David. Let me know you can hear me. Okay, let me see here. I'm just checking on the David. Wow. Okay, we got 12 of us here. Okay, guys, sound checks. Whether you can hear me, and if you can hear me, say hi, David. Let me know you can hear me. Okay, let me see here. Just check. Wow. We got 12 of us here. Okay, guys, if you can hear me, say hi, David. Let me know you can hear me. At the same time, those that came in late here. Okay, so those that came in ready, just let me know and give me a hi. Okay, give me a hi and say hi, David. Yes. Okay, while waiting for everyone to come in, we're gonna start at 9:03. Another 2 more minutes. So let's see how is it. Congrats, guys. Congrats, man. We got Chi Xiong's and Angels. Hi, Chi Xiong's and Angie. Is it Angie? Wow. Okay, we are going to start in another 2 more minutes. So those that came in ready, saying hi, say hi, 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 hi. At least I know you are there. Okay. Hi, William. William Tay. Good. Today, as usual, we are going to very straightforward and fast one. Ha! Congratulations for those that already make profits. Okay. We got a profit of like somewhere between 20%, which is quite a decent profits. But remember, we are not here to targeting 20%, correct or not? We are here to aiming for something bigger. Okay. Okay. So I'm not gonna wait for, I mean, quite long. I mean, I'm not gonna wait for a lot lah. I mean, maybe you're just gonna start in 1 minute's time, sir. So those that came in late, you can watch by the replay. Hi, Malasavi. Hi, Chishongs. Jerry Chishong is Jerry, is it? Jerry Ong, is it? Um, I freaking long time didn't see Jerry already. Oh my god. We got Ryan, we got Elsie, we got Eric, we got Marvin, we got Dylan. Okay. Okay, good. Congrats, guys. Okay, okay, right now we're gonna start 9:03 already. Congratulations to everyone that came in on last month live, last 2 months live, last 2 weeks live. That we managed to make our entry. Remember, how many of you get to entry and you make a profit ready? You type profit, let me know. You type profits, okay? Our entry is like 74,000, 76,000, or 78,000, 82,000. Okay, 82,000. Wait, okay. So our average price and the last price we didn't get to hit. The last price is 72. We missed this. We missed this. So right now your portfolio should be around 78K, your average price. Okay, your average price should be 78K. So those that already make profit, type profit, let me know. How many of you didn't enter, you didn't buy at all? Because even though I asked you to buy, you are afraid to buy and you are maybe you're having FUD. So just let me know. If you bought, you just type bought. If you say no, you type no, let me know. Ryan expert saying that means to get in them. It's very common, Ryan. It's very common. It's nothing here to be, nothing here to to embarrass or nothing here to not admit it. Okay. Malasa, we got in 76K. Congratulations. Hmm. What else? Okay, how about the others? If you bought something, you let me know the price. Okay, if you miss it, you let me know you miss it. Okay, Jerry got it too. Congratulations. Okay, good. Thank you so much. Marvin also got it. Marvin, no. What's wrong, Marvin? What's wrong, Marvin? Okay, doesn't matter. Hey, those that if you watch my live every 2 weeks, right? Basically, I initiate this buying price. I think at least 3 live or 4 live already, isn't it? Start from March onwards. I'm telling that you can aim around 82, 82, 78, 70, 74, 72. Correct? Yeah, Marvin say fat. No choice. Hoping for mini pullback. Okay. Okay, never mind. We are not here to counter some issues about the mindset first. We are here to make money, right? We are here to make money time, right? Those that came in and congratulations, you make money. So our average price, we are here to refer back first. Okay, our average price somewhere, I think right now your average price should be around 78K. Okay, your profit is somewhere around 20%. Okay, 20% already. Congratulations. Okay, those that make 20% is ready. Okay, those that came bought late, which means that last week you attend my live. I also tell everyone that you can buy at 88K, you can buy at around 82Ks, 80, 80, 86K, 88K around this price. I don't know whether you buy it or not. But even though you buy it at around that price also, right? So your price should be around 85. So you are still having about 10% profit. Congrats that those that already follow trades. And also I'm sorry that those that didn't follow, because when I'm giving price, right, lots of us always wonder is about, hey, is that easy to make money? Okay, is that easy to make money? Sometimes we are here to talk about it. Okay, today's topic we're going to cover what is it? We are going to cover first thing, what price we are looking into. The first thing. Okay, remember the first aim we are aiming. Those that are already buying, right? Uh, 78K, congratulations. Your stop loss should be around 10% here. Somewhere you're fighting for 116. Remember our exit price. First target take profit is 116. Remain the same. 1 to 5. Okay? 1 to 5. So those that came in, I mean, those that miss out the trend, say, David, I already missed out the buying price already. Even though the first time live, the second time live, or only third, fourth time live also, you miss out. The reason maybe you're worried, so you didn't get the buy in already. So is there one more chance for me to buy? Is it going to have a small pullback or not? But I'm going to ask you guys, what pullback you want to buy? Are you willing to buy at 90,000? Are you willing to buy at 91,000? Are you willing to buy at 88,000? Or you are waiting for 78, or you're waiting for 72? That is a very big question here to ask. For me, right, very easy to understand here. Let me draw a price for you. Anything, your safe zone right now is 82.451. So wait, wait. So today if you say I want to buy, what is my risk and where is my risk? I would say, you want to buy at what price is it? I don't want to say any price anymore. You want to buy at 91K also can. You want to buy at 80K also can. You want to buy at 89K also can. Okay, but I'm saying that anything below 82, your risk, your risk cannot be lower than 82.3, which means that your stop loss should be below this trend line. Can you see that? Somewhere 80,500. 80,500. So your risk is still the same. Your risk is still the same. You want to buy now or buy at 91K or maybe 90K. I don't know whether it can go or not. But your risk, your stop loss should be around 80,500. Is that clear? Okay, but this time, sorry, you can't aim for 1 to 580. You maximum can aim for 1 to 2.36. Okay, so you miss out. By right, you can make 1 to 5, which means that you're risking 10,000. You put in 100K, you're risking 10,000, but you can make 50K. But right now, you put in 100K, you're going to risk 10K, but there's a chance for you to make 26K. Got it? But your risk is 10K. Risk remains same, somewhere about 10K, but your profit is 2.5, 25K plus minus. Okay. Someone saying that fishing at 88. 88 is a good number. It's a good number. Okay, it's a good number. But normally if it's a good trend like a day charts DU, right? If even if it want to pumps up, right? Normally there's no chance of retracement for you to buy it in. If it goes side, if it's not about 88K, right? Basically it goes sideways. It goes sideways, right? Maybe you can wander back between 86, 85, 88, something like that. So I would say if the trend is strong, it wouldn't go below 90. Got it? If anything below 90, you can go back to this support resistance zone. So it's between 80, 83, 84, somewhere to 88, around the area. Okay, good. Is that clear? Clear, type clear. Let me know. I'm not going to repeat. If those that don't understand, please, you have to really watch back my live. Okay, those that came in late or those that miss out a lots of like treasures here, you need to watch back the last week live or last 2 week live. You know what's our plan. Okay, and also I inform everyone that you need to be you just need to put in a safety pin in your entry price. That's all. Okay, Ryan, hoping can get in 85.8K, right? Don't hope. Okay, invest in sport, right? The biggest issue, you know what is the biggest issue? The biggest issue is always about the money that you put in. The money that you put in, why do you care about 85.8 or 88K or 90K? It is only a small price difference. Do you understand that? Let's say you get it at 85K, 86K, and you get in right now, 7% different. Okay, maybe 7% different. If you're making into 50%, right? If you go as high as 116, right? So basically, you got a small gap. We always like to be like a sniper. We aim like a sniper. You think that you're going to aim until the best price. A lot of people is waiting for 72, 74, but they go as low as 74.5 only. So because of you want to be like a sniper, you miss out the whole chance that you miss this everything. You lose up your 20% of profits. We are not God. No one telling me when I'm sleeping in my dream and saying that 75 is the best price, 75. No one tell me that. We are here to just to assume and also have a small predictions about. Let's say the prediction telling me that it will go down, but my range is very big. Remember, my range is very big: 74, 72, 78, 82. The range is about 10%. But I asked you to just make few entry so that I don't want you to miss out any chance at all. It's the same meaning, guys. It's really the same meaning. So today, as I said, guys, 88, 89, 90, if you want to buy, your risk is somewhere 10%. If you're okay with the 10%, don't always try to be aim like a sniper. You wouldn't get it. Okay, that's the biggest truth. Okay, you need to assume that today, right? I already raised my 10%. I put in 100K, I put in 1 million. My risk is 100K, 10%. So you just need to take it that my risk is 100K. It doesn't matter what price you go in, just get it. The harder you aim, the more accurate you aim. Maybe you feel very contented and also you feel very proud of your have a best price aiming. But every time when you aim it and you finally you hit it, at the end you're gonna miss your chance, man. At the end, right? At last, right? You're gonna end up what happened, you're gonna end up like miss out the whole trend, you miss out the entry price, you miss out the whole opportunity. How many of you got the experience? You type yes, let me know. Chan Joyan say Lao is so angry. Seriously, I'm really a bit of pissed off lah. Okay, I'm not here to say much, but guys, if I say last week I mentioned you to ask you buy and you didn't buy, I'm still okay. But you watch back how many live I've said. At least 3 to 4 live that ask everyone to buy around this price. Isn't it? Isn't it, guys? At least more than 4 times. Okay. The feeling is like I give you the money on the table and you take lah. You say no, later there's a trap there. You take lah. No, it's very dangerous. Later police come and catch me. I say you take lah. And they say no, 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 no. Later my wife angry me. Fuck you. I say why do you want to consider so much when you already calculate your risk, right? Isn't it? But a lot of course, honestly speaking, 10% risk sounds like acceptable, but many people, right? The feeling of accept that pain, right, is not that easy to. Okay, when you buy in, right, when you buy in like 82, when you buy it at 78, the price fluctuate will make you very uncomfortable, which ends up, right, you don't want to buy. No wrong or right. I would say you try to manifest and try to meditate a bit and manifest about what you want in future. So what in futures you get so that it breaks up your brains, it break up your resistance, your obstacle in your brains. I'm not saying I'm not kidding, basically you can do some meditations or somehow that I don't know some people are okay. Meditation sometimes it's not about some misery things. It's somehow right. A lot of times, right, our brain stucks, right. We really need to have meditate. So we need to manifest on something that we want. We need our brains to connect between neurons so that you got the clicks. Then you know what to do. It's exactly same like when you're arguing with your wife, with your girlfriends, or your husband. You just don't know that you feel really angry, but at the end, when you have a click, right? Oh, I know why he's angry, and then you just go and apologize. The same thing. Our brain easily gets stuck because maybe you got 10% of workable. Okay, got it. Okay, this is a bit more into mindset, which is mindset basic. Last time a lot of class that really teach about mindset, but end up where we stop all the class because I found out that mindset is not something that I can teach. I tell you, Apple. I tell you, if I'm telling you apple uh tastes like this and banana tastes like this, right? Basically, no, it gives you no feelings at all, and you wouldn't understand at all. You know that apple is very sweet with a bit of sourage, but you only understand it when you taste it. So teaching you mindset doesn't really help you, but you need to imagine yourself, you manifest yourself, you try and meditate, you understand yourself. At the end, right, you got to click, then you feel it. The emotional, the feeling that you can't really relate, I would say. You can't really relate. But I mean, sorry, when I'm telling you, you can't relate. But when you're trying to feel it, you relate. Okay? But why today saying something that's too far away? But we come back here first. I already given the price. If those that don't know the price, please watch it again. Watch again. So right now we are making 20% profit already. So what is the thing you need to do? Set your safety pin. Your safety pin should be around 82,000 plus minus, which means that your average price right now should be at 78K, but your safety pin, which means that anything go down to 82, you take your profits and you get to secure around like maybe 4%, better than nothing. This is how we have our risk control. Got it? So for every life, you need to come back. Every life, if the price goes up again, I'll give you a new price again. The price go up again, I'll give you a new price again. So you keep on moving your safety pin. Some of you, if you didn't follow me much, right? Basically, you don't know about safety. What is safety pin? Safety pin, which means that, right, you bought it at around 78K. Okay, the price shot up to 95K already. So you are at 94K already. You are making 20% profits. Okay, but if you suddenly have a big candle that drops off here and crash down, you're going to lose up all your profits. I don't want this to be happen. So the first thing you need to do is about your average price 78K. The first safety pin is somewhere between 81.5. So 81.5, 81,500, which is the same price that I asked you to put a stop loss if you're getting in right now. Okay, so let's say you got in at 78K, your profit at 81.5, still a 4.57. Why not? You put in 100K, still a 4,005. At least you enough to buy a, not much, I don't know, 4.5K. Maybe an LV bag also hard a bit. I better than nothing. Nowadays, LV bags quite expensive. Maybe 7, okay? But at least you secure your profit without risk already. Because you listen to me, you get to go in with a very good price. Right now, you already secure your profit. Once you secure your profits, so right now you got your bullets on hands ready. You know how to protect your capital. So you are zero risk already. Yeah. You are zero risk already. Yeah. Okay? You know how to play this? This is a sport game, guys. This is a sport game. Okay. Clear, clear, type clear, let me know. Okay. What is the mid-terms, I mean short-term movement right now? Okay. One of you asking, David, is it really a bull market right now? I would say it's not yet. Of course, the bull wave, can you see it haven't turned green yet? I think it takes maybe another few more days to make it turn green. Once it turns green, then this is a real bull market. But now, not yet. Okay, so don't be too happy first. As for some of you all say, very high chances that it's going to happen a rejections right now. Can you see? Remember, we aim last week. You watched back the live. I'm saying that 88K is the first resistance. The second resistance is 94K. So exactly stays as 94K and rejected. So this is a very strong one. So I'm hoping that it goes sideways around this area, then it pumps up like this. I'm hoping it. So right now, day chart is still divergence up. Okay, 1 hour is having a divergence down. So if the price goes down right now, we are aiming at somewhere 90,000, 90,500. Okay, 90,500. So, yeah, let me find and see. If you say, David, I want to have futures, or I want to trade futures, right? If it's a long term, right, I would say 88K is okay. Let's say if the short term trades, right, 88K plus minus around this range, right, 88, 89, 90K is very good for you to go for a long trade with a stop loss of 2.26. If a stop loss of under support here, 3% stop loss, if you're aiming for something bigger, this is a mid short term games. Okay, a bit risky, but the winning rate is about 60%. Okay, but if you say want to have a long-term games, right, I would say, right, follow your spot. If you get in right now, your spot have to be cut loss 81.5. So your risk is about 8%. As I said, if you get in around 89K, but you're going for a longer terms, which means that you're targeting 116. So 1 to 3, 1 to 3 ratio. Okay, 1 to 3, three what ah? 1 to 3, 4. This is the mid long term trades for futures. For this one, right? So 8% stop loss, right? Basically, you cannot go in very high leverage. Okay, you need to calculate your own management in futures. But those that already funded account in Pinex, also in Prop W, right? Basically, you can use this one to go for long-term trades. Okay, which is uh, it's a second quarter things lah. I don't think gonna hit third quarter. Second quarter, you can see all this result already. Good. But say, David, if you think that you're going to go down, right, why not we go for short? Sorry, guys. I know some of you maybe have the idea that, David, you believe that it will go down a bit, right? Why don't we just go for short? Um, you must always understand, right? For me, I'm a bit of skeptical in tradings. I will not, I will never against a trend. You need to write down our professor David Young always said, trend is king. The trend, DL tell you that this is uptrend. When it's uptrend, you don't go and busybody on short for what? Correct or not? No reason. You think that this is the price of rejection already. You believe that it will go down. Guys, if you believe that it will go down, have a small corrections, right? Why not you just park lower a bit to get to entry long, but not focusing on short? Because trend is king. Trend will break all your resistance, will break out all your RSI, will break down all your sub resistance. I mean, all your MACD divergent down. Everything will break because of the trend. So trends comes first. I would rather you put in your entry price lower a bit, but don't focus on short it because we are here to have a risk and reward. Okay, here maybe I hit my stop loss, but here very hard to hit my stop loss. But the reward given me is decent. Okay, even though right now, David, if I short right now, right, maybe I got chance to have 1 to 1. Okay, let's say some of you are asking, David, let's say if I short right now, my stop loss should be a previous high. Okay, my stop loss is about, wait, let me check. 3.6%, but your take profit is 1 to 1.2. You're using a small bullet. You're using one. Let's say you're using $1,000 one, but you're making another 1,200. Remember, we are here to make money, right? We are not here to make more chances of winning. So probability doesn't give you an a, a, a probability doesn't give you a very good result, but only risk and reward give you a good result. Got it? Clear? Friends King, right? Thank you so much. Okay. So next, Ethereum. Ethereum, guys, Bitcoin done, right? Ethereum, right? As I said, fuck it. Fuck it. Really fuck it. Don't really rely on Ethereum anymore. As my friend said, my friend said, we said, right? You don't focus on a coin that no one promoted right now. You're wasting your time. Which is true. Even though it goes up, look at it. Bitcoin raised how much? Bitcoin shoots up to about 94,000. Bitcoin, Ethereum shoots up from 1,006 to 1,008. Fuck. I mean, like, stupid. Really stupid. I would rather you just go for Solana or Sui. Or Ton also even better. Or Ton also even better, like Solana. Okay, not bad. A small correction here, right? Give you how many percent? 20%. Come on, guys. Okay, look at Ethereum. From here onwards to here, 10%. What the hell? Or maybe you want to say Ton. Ton that day went up from 2 to what, $4. Oh, Ton goes up to $4. Oh my god. Okay, but Ton right now doesn't really increase a lot. But I say got chance, really got chance. 14. Ton also got 14%. Wait, let me see Ton got touch free board or not. Wow, Ton is a bit dangerous too. Okay, no problems. Ton, which is Yet to monitor. Yet to monitor. Okay, you want Ton to fly, right? It need to break the price of like 3637 3.675. Here I add an alert here better lah. Okay, done. Next, I will say the last one. Okay, right now maybe you can start to focus a bit on altcoin, but not fully yet. If until Bitcoin blue wave turn green color, then you can focus a lot in altcoin. Okay, if not, it is quite risky. Okay, but I don't know what happened to Sui that we should it shoots up quite a lot. Okay, soon's going to turn trends. Okay, Sui also you can something can monitor. Okay, as I said, if you want to buy Ethereum, why not Solana? Why not Sui? But not Ethereum yet. Okay, look at guys. I zoom out and show you. I zoom out and show you. Look at the chart like this. Look at the chart like this. Do you think you're going to buy a chart like this, or do you think that you're going to buy a chart like this? Which one you to buy? Chan Joyan. Which one you to buy? This is a chart that people given up already. I'm telling you seriously, given up. Even though it's the second one, they given up. Maybe you're gonna raise up a bit. Okay, maybe go to 2,000 plus minus. But if it goes up to 2,000, the other coin can go up to like 40%. So that's different. So yes, maybe it can still goes up, but the potential of it is not so much anymore, and your opportunity cost is there. Look at Sui. Oh my God, you can see the trend is good. People saying that, oh, David, it goes up like this, come down. It goes up, it come down. So maybe here it goes up already, then it flies like this, lah. Yeah, maybe why not? You can go as high as like this. Look at today, if you go back the same height, right? It's about 2x. You want Ethereum to give you 2x, you dream, you really dream. Okay, you really dream. Got it. JCC, well, long at 1590, just leave it, just leave it. Okay, just long and leave it. Okay. But I'm saying, guys, the trend don't too confident right now. It haven't turned green. It turned green already. It haven't turned green. You don't know whether it's having rejections. Right now, 94K is the main last price. If this resistance broke it, congratulations. Everything can goes up. Okay, this is the last one. But doesn't mean ask you to wait for this breakup. Even though if this break up already, right? You said 96 to go and buy. Even though you 96 to go and buy, right? Where is your stop loss on put? 81.5. You're risking what? You're risking 16%, and your potential profits is about 1 to 1. Worth it or not? Not worth it at all. I would rather 1 to 1. I would just give up on buying spot already. Why is it 116? Because that's the first achievement point, like a first checkpoint. Doesn't mean it stopped there, sir. Doesn't mean it stops there. Monitor after that. Good. So that's all I think for today, guys. Please don't make me angry. I'm really feeling a bit of piss off just now, lah. Sorry, yeah. Quite very tiring is like the example I just given to you. Free money also don't want. Right. But those that are nothing else really. Okay, those that not enough capital, remember just go to prop firms and try start on Pinex, on Prop W. Okay, maybe start with small money, but it's really a good profits because of the yeah, because of the if given you the capital. It's a tools to helps a lots of traders right now. Hey guys, I didn't show you Unity UFC total 1.8 amps of withdrawal. Okay, 1.8 amps of withdrawal. Some guys, right, in 90, it's a bit of hang here. In 19 days, right, okay, this guy withdraw 43K. Kingsley, the handsome young boy, 18.4K. You know those, right? If you already funded, or maybe you already funded, right? Remember, register an account here and fill up your form. Remember, fill up your address, your house address also, and your phone number. You know why? Because we are going to give you Unity Crypto. They are going to give you one of a small gift, a big mouse pad, a very big mouse pad. It's written. I don't know. I don't know whether I can show you or not. It comes with a lot of chart, a lot of trading strategy on the mouse pad. Okay, I don't know whether you all know or not. Okay, it's on the mouse pad. It comes with. It's a totally free one. You just need to be part of us. Like just register it, fill in your UID, fill in your address, and also a phone number. We're gonna. They are gonna send. They're gonna send you the gift, a small gift for everyone, because you becomes one of the white trader. Got it? If you already, some of you maybe have two account, three account. I don't know whether, but remember, fill in all your UID. Okay, blue trader, you got a very nice gift. A blue trader above, you got a something similar to removal luggage. Okay, it's a full aluminum one, which is I designed it. I feel that it's really nice. Okay, but this is a secrets. Okay, don't tell people first. But announce in YouTube, damn it. Okay, forever. So remember, just go and register. It's free of charge. There's no money it takes. I just want everyone to have a same achievement, same goal. We want to achieve 10 million for withdrawal in 2025. I want you to be part of it too. So the more you withdraw, the more happy I got. That's all. If not, why are we? Why are we? You got make money lah. That's the best thing. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Malasavi, you text the support already. I keep on forgetting to talk to my team. Okay, once the offline class confirm ready, I will just ask my team to text you because my support received your message, right? Yes. Okay, good. How about yellow? I don't know yellow what they get. Yellow maybe I don't maybe a hoodie. I'm not so sure. I forgot about t-shirts or something like that. It's a small gift, but just I would say be part of us together. Isn't it interesting? You know, when we make money, right? We group up, everyone make money, right? And the money doesn't come from me. The money comes from the platform. But you make money because of us. Oh, interesting. Okay, ciao. Too talkative today. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.